Hey guys, Gossip and Reactions Marie's take. Derek Chauvin claims no evidence shows he didn't cause George Floyd's death, attempts to overturn conviction. Some people have nerves, y'all. Former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin is making another attempt to overturn his federal civil rights conviction in the 2020 murder of George Floyd. Chauvin, who was back in court Wednesday, is claiming that no evidence shows he didn't cause Floyd's death in Minnesota. In a motion filed in federal court Monday, Chauvin said he never would have pleaded guilty in 2021 if he had known about the theories of a Kansas pathologist whom he had been in contact with in February. Chauvin is asking the judge who presided over his trial to throw out his civil rights conviction and order a new trial or at least a hearing for him to present the new evidence. Chauvin, who is serving a 21-year sentence at a federal prison in Arizona, filed the request without a lawyer. Good luck to him. According to records, Chauvin says Dr. Williams Chatzel of Topeka, Kansas, told him that he believes Floyd died from complications of a rare tumor called a paraganglioma that can cause a fatal surge of adrenaline. Really? Isn't it something? I don't think I can say what I want to say, but this man is a fool. He's out of his mind. You put your foot on his neck for, I'm not sure, was it 6 minutes or 5 minutes? I'm not sure, guys. Please don't judge me on the minute. America saw you, stepped on this man's neck, suffocating him, killing him, taking the air out of him. He screamed for his mom to come help him. You did not have the human being in you, the decency to stop murdering him while people were filming you. Now you can't take being in jail. You are alive, you are eating, you showered, you got medication, you got whatever you need. This man's family would never see him alive again because of you. Now you're saying pathologists telling you one thing, they should throw it away. Let me tell you something. I hope the judge don't listen to that fool. And one thing about this man, when he was sentencing, sometimes accident happen, things happen. This man did not show any sympathy, empathy, nothing. He has this glare in his face like, I don't care. I'm a white man in America. I have done what I done to you. You deserve it, and it happened to you. The world saw it, watch it, and whatever you got, you deserve it. He did not have any remorse. He did not feel sorry. He did not say anything to the kids, to the parents, to black people, period. So now you cannot handle the pressure of being in prison? You should have thought about it, my brother. It is noted that the pathologist did not examine Floyd's body, but did review autopsy reports. In his motion, Chauvin claims that no jury would have convicted him if it had heard the pathologist's evidence. And who is this pathologist? And why does this man have access to speak to this fool? Why? The trial is over. You've been sentenced. Why does he have access to somebody telling him something different? Do you see how things works here in this country, the country that I appreciate and I love the most? Sometimes it questions you. Because if it was a black man that was convicted, he would never have access to speak to a third or second person to give him idea, to ask to throw something away because what was done was not right to him. Are you serious? A federal appeals court has rejected Chauvin's request for a rehearing twice, and he is still waiting for the U.S. Supreme Court to decide whether it will hear his appeal of his state court murder conviction. Man, you should have thought about it. You are where you belong. Right now, George Floyd's daughters, kids are without a father. and you are still breathing, you are still alive, you still could get access to medication, you still could speak to your people. So be a man. The same way you stood on his neck to erase his life, be where you at and do your 21-year sentence, man. And stop being, whatever. Stop begging for a second chance when you did not think about George Floyd's second chance needed of his life. Okay, enough. You are where you belong, in jail, rotten there. And that day when you did that to him, the world saw a different America. The world saw somebody who had no soul in him, no blood running through his vein. Because if you can stood on somebody that long to take the air, to take life out of him, and in the trial day you did not show no remorse, you did not show no kind of sympathy, nothing for this man's life you took away, and now you begging for a second chance? Subscribe, yeah. It's pathetic. Seriously, subscribe. Bye.